These are the top 10 most common financial questions Australians are asking today. Prostobank TV presents simple and practical answers to help you navigate the world of personal finance. How much can I borrow for a home loan? This is one of the most important questions for new homeowners in Australia. The amount you can borrow largely depends on several factors, including your income, your credit history, existing debts, and the value of the home you want to buy. Most banks or lenders in Australia will lend up to 90% of the property value, as long as you can provide a sufficient deposit and meet the eligibility criteria. You can improve your borrowing capacity by enhancing your credit score, increasing your income, and reducing your living expenses through better budgeting. Another way is to find a guarantor who can support your loan application. What is the best savings account with high interest in Australia? We'll explore the top-performing savings accounts that help your money grow faster with competitive interest rates. Best high-interest savings accounts in Australia. Some of the top options include MoveBank Growth Saver, UBank High Interest Save Account, Rabobank High Interest Savings Account, and ING Savings Maximizer. These accounts help your savings grow faster with competitive interest rates. Tips before you open an account. To get the most out of a savings account, consider splitting your funds, closely monitor any changes to interest rates, review all terms and conditions, and be aware of entry balances and interest rate caps. Should I fix my mortgage interest rate or go variable? Learn about the benefits and risks of both fixed and variable rate loans, so you can choose what fits your situation best. This depends on your financial situation and how much risk you're comfortable with. A fixed rate offers certainty in repayments, while a variable rate may help you save if interest rates drop. Fixed versus variable mortgage rates. Fixed rates give predictable payments but often lack flexibility like redraw or offset features. Variable rates are more flexible, with common offset and redraw options, but your repayments may rise or fall depending on interest rate changes. How do I consolidate my debts in Australia? Discover smart strategies to combine your debts into one manageable repayment plan, potentially at a lower interest rate. Debt consolidation involves merging multiple debts, such as credit cards and loans, into a single repayment, usually with a lower interest rate. This makes managing your finances simpler. Steps to consolidate debt. Apply for a suitable loan, compare offers from different lenders, check your credit score, and choose the method that best suits your needs. A good strategy can help you save money and reduce stress. How much super should I have at my age? Understand how your age and income affect your superannuation goals and what steps you can take to grow your retirement savings. This depends on your age, current income, and retirement plans. It's essential to track your progress to ensure a comfortable retirement. How to grow your super faster. Consolidate multiple super accounts to avoid unnecessary fees, check for any lost or duplicate funds, contribute more through salary sacrifice, or make voluntary post-tax contributions. Am I eligible for the first homeowner grant or other government schemes? Find out if you qualify for financial support as a first-time home buyer and what benefits are available. You must be buying or building a new home, be a citizen or permanent resident of Australia, and have never owned property in the country before. You must also live in the home as your main residence. How do I apply for the Family Home Guarantee? This scheme helps single parents with dependents buy a home with just a 2% deposit. The income limit is $125,000, and both new and existing homes are eligible. What are the best credit cards in Australia for rewards or low interest? We compare top credit cards that offer valuable rewards or help you save with low interest rates. Top rewards cards and best low interest credit cards. Great rewards options include ANZ Rewards Black, Qantas Premier Platinum, and American Express Platinum Edge. If you're focused on saving money, Coles No Annual Fee MasterCard is a good low-interest option. What can I claim on my tax return in Australia? We'll look at which expenses are eligible for deductions and how to make the most of your tax return. You can claim any expenses directly related to your income, provided they are not private or domestic in nature. You must have paid them yourself and kept records such as receipts or a logbook. Can I get a car loan with bad credit or Centrelink? Learn what options exist for those with less than perfect credit or government income support when applying for a car loan. Yes, you can get a car loan with bad credit, but expect stricter terms. You may face higher interest rates, may need to provide collateral, provide more documentation, or prove your ability to pay. What you'll need to apply. Be ready with bank statements, details of current expenses or debts, 100 points of identification, income documents from Centrelink or your employer, and potentially a guarantor or deposit. How do I start investing in Australia? Discover beginner-friendly ways to enter the investment world, from shares and property to micro-investing and superannuation. It's now easier than ever to begin investing. Choose the right investment type like shares, ETFs, real estate, or super. Define your goals and open an investment account or platform. Starting to invest in Australia is simple. Learn about taxes and fees, begin with small regular contributions, and stay consistent over time. Keep building your financial knowledge to improve your results. How to choose the right investment type. Understand your risk tolerance and goals. Then, pick from options like bonds, micro-investing apps, or ETFs. The best choice depends on your personal financial situation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Prostobank TV for more helpful tips on finance and economics in Australia. Learn more and take control of your financial future today.